Chapter 1. Water is Precious. Do you leave the tap water running when you brush your teeth or apply soap during a bath?
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa.
Montu was humming this popular rhyme while taking a bath in the bathroom. The tap water was running. His elder brother, Rohit, wanted to take a bath. He was getting late for school. He called out,
Montu, please come out.
Montu did not come out. The sound of running water was coming from the bathroom. Their mother came shouting near the bathroom door. Montu, come out quickly. Rohit is getting late for school. But Montu did not listen to anyone. He continued with his humming. He had left the tap running and the water was flowing out. Suddenly, Montu stopped humming. There was no sound of running of water too. Rohit thought maybe now Montu would come out. Once again Rohit called out,
Montu, come out soon. I'm getting late. You are also wasting a lot of water. This is not a good habit. Mummy, my eyes are stinging. Bring me some water. The water has stopped,
cried Montu. But there was not even a single drop of water left in the tank, not even to wash soap from his eyes. Mother rushed quickly with a mug full of water from the kitchen. Montu stood there crying with his face and body covered with soap. Then his mother gave him water to wash his face. She said, Now you understand what happens when you waste water. This is a lesson for you, Montu. You should not waste water. Water is very precious for us. Montu realized his fault. He promised never to do it again. Chapter 2. A Journey by Bus. Lata and Ballu are going to Nainital in their summer holidays. They are going with their parents. Both the children are very happy because their grandparents live in Nainital. Nainital is a beautiful hill station located in Uttarakhand. They are going by bus. Lata has got the window seat. Ballu sits next to her. Their father is reading the newspaper. Mother falls fast asleep. The bus goes over a bridge. It makes a lot of noise. Lata looks out of the window. Now it has become dark. The bus is about to reach Nainital. The weather is pleasant. Lata and Ballu can see their grandparents. They have reached Nainital. All are very happy. Chapter 3. Don't be greedy. Once upon a time, there lived a wolf in a forest. He was very hungry. He was roaming near the forest in search of food. Suddenly, a fox came there. The wolf saw the fox. I am hungry. I am going to eat you up, growled the wolf. The fox got frightened. An idea struck his mind at once. He said,
Come with me. I shall arrange some food for you.
The fox took him to a house. They looked through the kitchen window. In the kitchen, a woman was baking cakes. When the woman completed baking the cakes, she put them on the table and shut the door. The kitchen window was small. The fox climbed through the window.
Come inside,
said the fox to the wolf. The wolf also climbed inside. The wolf and the fox started to eat the cakes. The fox ate one cake. Then he took 3 cakes and came out of the kitchen. The wolf was greedy. He did not come out. He continued to eat the cakes in the kitchen. Suddenly, the woman came into the kitchen. She saw the wolf eating the cakes. The woman picked up a rolling pin. The greedy wolf was too fat, so he could not get out through the window easily. The woman broke his legs with the rolling pin. In this way, the wolf was punished for being greedy. Chapter 4. Our National Flag. Our national flag is called the Tiranga or the Tricolor. It is hoisted by our Prime Minister at the Red Fort in Delhi every year on August 15. Our national flag has 3 colors: saffron, white, and green. The saffron color is at the top. It is the symbol of courage and sacrifice. It teaches us to be brave. The white color in the middle stands for peace and truth. It teaches us to love everyone and not fight with one another. We all are the children of one God. The green color at the bottom stands for prosperity. It teaches us that we should work hard. We should make India a prosperous country. There is a wheel in navy blue color at the center of the white band. It is called the Ashoka Chakra. It stands for Dharma or justice. It has 24 spokes in it. We are proud of our national flag. India is our motherland, and our national flag stands for the freedom of our motherland. We must have great respect for our national flag. The sun and the moon. The moon shines clear as silver. The sun shines bright as gold. And both are very lovely and very, very old. God hung them up as lanterns for all beneath the sky, and nobody can blow them out, for they are up too high. Chapter 1. This, that, these and those. This is used for something singular and near to us. That is used for something singular but far from us. For examples, this is a plant. That is a tree. These is used for something plural and near to us. Those is used for something plural but far from us. Chapter 2. Uses of a and an. We write an before a singular noun that begins with a vowel sound. Vowels are 5 in number. They are A, E, I, O, and U. For example, an apple, an egg, an ink pot, an owl, an umbrella. We write A before a singular noun that begins with a consonant sound. All the letters of the English alphabet except A, E, I, O, and U are called consonants. Consonants are 21 in number. Chapter 3. Sentences. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Look at these examples. Mohit is a student. I have a ball. Rakesh eats an ice cream. There is milk in the glass. This is my pen. All these statements make complete sense, so they are called sentences. All sentences begin with a capital letter. A statement tells us something and it ends with a full stop. Chapter 4. Question words. Who, what, when, which, and where are some question words. These words are used to ask questions about different things. Who is used to ask about a person or people. What is used to ask about a thing or things. Where is used to ask about places. Which is used to ask about a particular thing or place. When is used to ask about time. Read the following examples. What is your name? Who is your friend? Which is your book? When is your holiday? Where is your school? All the colored words above are question words. They ask questions about different things. Such sentences end with a question mark. Chapter 5. Capital letters and full stop. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Look at the following examples. I have a watch. She has 2 brothers. Sunday is a holiday. Shagun goes to Delhi Public School. My sister likes the festival of Diwali. All these sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Read the text given in the box carefully to understand where we use capital letters. We use capital letters for the names of days, Sunday, Monday, etc. The names of months, January, March, etc. The names of places, Taj Mahal, Delhi, etc. The names of festivals, Diwali, Holi, Christmas, etc. The word I am Vishwas. Chapter 1. Addition and Subtraction. Addition of a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. Let us find 74 plus 2. We arrange the given numbers as shown. Working steps. Add the ones. 4 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 6 ones. Write 6 in the ones column. Add the tens. 7 tens plus 0 10 is equal to 7 tens. Write 7 in the tens column. Answer is 76. Addition of tens. To add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. to any number, we just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. respectively in the tens column and bring down the ones as they are. Addition of 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Let us find 32 plus 24. We arrange the given numbers as shown. Working steps. Add the ones. 2 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 6 ones. Write 6 in the ones column. Add the tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 5 tens. Write 5 in the tens column. Answer is 56. Regrouping of numbers from ones to tens. Regrouping means renaming a given number. When a number is 10 or more than 10, we can regroup it in tens and ones. Observe the following examples. If there are 10 or more than 10 hockey sticks, ones, 10 hockey sticks, ones can be regrouped to a 10 sticks bundle, tens, and placed in the column to the left. This is known as regrouping from ones to tens. 15 ones can be regrouped as 1 10 and 5 ones. Or 15 is equal to 10 plus 5. Similarly, tens, ones, tens, ones, 1 10 and 12 ones can be regrouped as 2 tens and 2 ones. Or 10 plus 12 is equal to 20 plus 2. Addition of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Let us add 37 and 35. First, we write the given numbers in column form as shown. Now we proceed as per these steps. Working steps. Add the ones. 7 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 12 ones. Write 2 in the ones place of the answer and carry over the 1 to the tens column. Add the tens. 3 tens plus 3 tens plus 1 10 carried over is equal to 7 tens. Write 7 in the tens place of the answer. Answer is 72. Subtraction of a one-digit number from a two-digit number. Let us subtract 4 from 58. We arrange the given numbers as shown. Working steps. Subtract the ones. 8 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 4 ones. Write 4 in the ones column. Subtract the tens. 5 tens minus 0 10 is equal to 5 tens. Write 5 in the tens column. Answer is 54. Subtracting tens. To subtract 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. from a number, we simply subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. respectively from the tens column and bring down the ones as they are. For example, to subtract 20 from 45, we subtract 2 from 4 and bring down 5 as it is. Subtraction of two-digit numbers without regrouping. Let us subtract 33 from 78. We arrange the given numbers as shown. Working steps. Subtract the ones. 8 ones minus 3 ones is equal to 5 ones. Write 5 in the ones column. Subtract the tens. 7 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 4 tens. Write 4 in the tens column. Answer is 45. Regrouping of numbers from tens to ones. When a number is 10 or more than 10, we can regroup it into tens and ones. Observe the following examples. A 10 bundle, tens can be regrouped as 10 single objects, ones, and placed in the column to the right. This is known as regrouping from tens to ones. 2 tens can be regrouped as 1 10 and 10 ones, or 20 is equal to 10 plus 10. Similarly, 3 tens and 3 ones can be regrouped as 2 tens and 13 ones, or 30 plus 3 is equal to 20 plus 13. Subtraction of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Let us subtract 34 from 53. First, we write the given numbers in column form as shown. Now we proceed as per these steps. Working steps. Subtract the ones. We cannot subtract 4 ones from 3 ones. So from tens, we borrow 1 10 or 10 ones, leaving behind 4 tens. Now 10 ones and 3 ones become 13 ones. 13 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 9 ones. Write 9 in the ones place of the answer. Subtract the tens. 4 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 1 10. Write 1 in the tens place of the answer. Answer is 19.
When there are not enough ones, we regroup 1 10 as 10 ones.
Chapter 2. Cardinal and Ordinal Numbers. A race competition was held in a jungle. See the result and know who is at what place. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. The numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on are called cardinal numbers. First, second, third and so on are called ordinal numbers or simply ordinals. We use the ordinal numbers to depict the position of something in a given order. Chapter 3. Multiplication. Groups. A group is a collection. This is a group of 4 apples. This is a group of 7 frogs. Equal groups. Groups having same number of objects are called equal groups. These are 2 groups of 3 leaves each. These are 3 groups of 4 oranges each. Repeated addition of a number. Look at these balls. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. 2 is repeatedly added 4 times. There are 8 balls in all. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 is repeatedly added 2 times. There are 6 tops in all. When each group has the same number of objects and there are number of equal groups, we can find how many there are in all by multiplying the number of objects in a group with the number of total groups. This is called multiplication. Multiplication is the quicker way to add the same number over and over again. In other words, multiplication is the same as repeated addition of the same number. Observe the following. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. We can write it as 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Number of objects in each group. Number of groups. Product. 3 into 4 is equal to 12 is called a multiplication fact. Cross is the sign of multiplication called into or multiplied by.
The result of multiplication is called product.
We read 3 into 4 is equal to 12 as 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 or 3 into 4 is 12 or the product of 3 and 4 is 12. Writing multiplication facts corresponding to the repeated addition. Repeated addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. Multiplication facts. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Writing repeated addition for the given multiplication facts. Multiplication facts. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Repeated addition. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 21. Multiplication on the number strip. We can use the number strip to find the product of two numbers. Let us multiply 3 by 6. Start from 0 and count in threes by the method of skip counting. After the 6th skip, stop skipping. The number where the skipping stopped is 18. So, 3 into 6 is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 18. Multiplication tables. Table of 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Table of 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Table of 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Table of 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Chapter 4. Time and Clock. Day and Night. Daytime is the time when we take our breakfast and go to school. We also take lunch and play. We can see the sun during the day. We can see the moon and the stars at night. It is the time when the sky goes darker. We sleep at night. Time. Read and learn. We wake up in the morning. We study in school during the day. We take lunch at noon. We come back from the school in the afternoon. We play in the evening. We go to the bed at night. Reading a clock.
A clock has two hands, a minute hand and an hour hand. The minute hand tells the minutes, the hour hand tells the hours.
The minute hand, long hand. The hour hand, short hand. The face of the dial is divided into 12 parts marked from 1 to 12. Now look at the clock shown. The minute hand is at 12. The hour hand is at 4. The time is 4 o'clock. We read it as 4 o'clock. We write the time as 4. The minute hand is at 12. The hour hand is at 12. The time is 12 o'clock. We write it as 12. Days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. These are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These months in order are given below: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January is the first month of the year. February is the second month of the year, and December is the last month of the year. Chapter 5. Money. We buy the things that we use. For this, we need money. Indian money comes in the form of rupees and paise. Specimens of coins currently in use in India are shown below. 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Specimens of notes used presently in India are shown below. 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. The short form of rupee or rupees is written as and paise as p. Observe and read. 50 paise is equal to 50p. 1 rupee is equal to 1 rupee. 2 rupees is equal to 2 rupees. 5 rupees is equal to 5 rupees. 10 rupees is equal to 10 rupee. 20 rupees is equal to 20 rupees. 50 rupees is equal to 50 rupees. 100 rupees is equal to 100 rupees. 500 rupees is equal to 500 rupees. 1000 rupees is equal to 1000 rupees. Chapter 6. Measurement. Measurement of length. If you want to measure the length of your pencil with erasers, how many erasers of the same length will you need? Let us learn to measure things. The pencil is about 5 erasers long. How long is the ruler in your pencil box? The ruler is about 7 paper clips long. We can also use parts of our body to measure length: handspan, cubit, footspan. Measurement of weight. We measure weight using a weighing balance. The pan with the heavier weight goes down. The ball is heavier than the balloon. The weight of papaya is equal to 5 apples. Measurement of capacity. To measure the capacity of vessels, we can pour liquids using cup, glass, bottle, etc. into the bigger vessels. Chapter 1. The Sun, Moon and Stars. We can see the sun, the moon and the stars in the sky. The sun can be seen during the daytime. The moon and the stars can be seen at night. The sun. The sun is a burning ball of gases. It looks like a bright shining ball in the sky. It is very hot. It shines in the daytime. It gives us heat and light. The sun makes a day warm. All living things need sunlight. The sun rises in the east in the morning. It sets in the west in the evening. It becomes dark and the night begins. The moon. The moon shines in the sky at night. It is generally round in shape. We can see the moon during the day also. The moon has no light of its own. Shapes of the moon. We see the moon in a different shape every night. Sometimes the moon looks like a bow. It looks very beautiful. Sometimes it looks like a half circle. Sometimes it looks like a full circle. Sometimes we cannot see the moon at all. We call it no moon. Crescent moon, half moon, full moon. The stars. The stars also give us light. The stars twinkle in the sky at night. There are millions of stars in the sky. We cannot count them. They are very far away from us, so they appear small to us. The sun is also a star. Points to remember. The sun looks like a bright shining ball. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. The moon changes its shape every night. There are millions of stars in the sky. Chapter 2. Things Essential to Live. There are many things which are essential for us to remain alive. We cannot live without air, water, and food. Air. It keeps us alive. We breathe air all the time. The air we breathe should be clean and fresh. All plants and animals also breathe air. Plants make the air clean. We must grow more and more plants. We should take a walk in the park every day. Water. We cannot live more than a few days without water, so we need water to drink. We should boil or filter water before drinking it. We should always drink clean water. Food. We need food every day to live. It is important for us. Food helps us to grow. It keeps us healthy. It makes us strong. Children should drink milk every day. We must eat fresh and clean food. Clothes. Clothes are also our basic need. We need clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat and cold. We wear woolen clothes in winter. We wear cotton clothes in summer. We need raincoats and umbrellas in the rainy season. Our clothes should always be clean. House. We need a house to live in. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, and dust. It also protects us from wild animals and thieves. We keep our things safely in our house. We should keep our house neat and clean. Points to remember. We need clean and fresh air to breathe. We need clean water to drink. We need food to grow and stay healthy. We must eat fresh and clean food. We need clothes to cover our body. Chapter 3. Our houses. We need a house to live in. A house gives us peace and comfort. The house in which we live with our family is called our home. Different kinds of houses. People live in different kinds of houses. Kacha houses and Pakka houses are the two kinds of houses. Kacha houses are made up of bamboos, leaves, mud and straw. They are not very strong. Pakka houses are made up of bricks, cement, sand and iron. These houses are very strong. Parts of a house. We have a bedroom to take rest and sleep. Our house has a kitchen where we cook our food. We also take a bath and wash clothes in our house. For that, we use a bathroom. We attend to our guests in our drawing room. We should keep things at their proper places in our house. We should throw waste into a dustbin and keep our house and its surroundings neat and clean. Points to remember. The house in which we live with our family is called our home. We rest and sleep in our bedroom. We cook our food in the kitchen. We should throw waste into a dustbin. Chapter 4. Body Basics and Good Habits. Our body. Our body has different parts: head, eye, nose, ear, neck, hand, leg, foot. Our eyes help us to see. Our ears help us to hear. Our nose helps us to smell. Our tongue helps us to taste. Our skin helps us to feel. Our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our 5 sense organs. The sense organs help us to know the world around us. We use our hands to write, to hold, and to lift things. We use our legs to walk and run. Good habits. To stay healthy and fit, we must have good habits. Good habits help us to grow properly. Good habits to keep yourself clean. Take a bath with soap and water daily. Comb your hair properly. When you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with a handkerchief. Do not bite your nails. Trim your nails regularly. Brush your teeth twice a day. Good habits at home. Keep your room clean. Do not litter paper in your room. Throw waste paper into a dustbin. Keep your books and toys at their right place. Do not write on the walls. Switch off the lights and fans when you leave a room. Turn off the tap after use. Obey your parents. Points to remember. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the 5 sense organs. We use our legs to walk and run. We should take a bath every day. We should keep our house clean. We should obey our parents. We should switch off the lights when not in use. Chapter 5. Being fit and healthy. To stay fit and active, we should take good care of our health. For this, we need good food and regular exercise. Sound sleep and proper posture is also very necessary. Regular exercise. Exercise helps in making our muscles stronger. We should take some exercise regularly. Regular exercise increases our stamina and keeps us fit and active. Walking, running, swimming, and skipping are good exercises. We all enjoy playing outdoor games. Playing an outdoor game is also a good exercise. Cricket, hockey, basketball, and football are outdoor games. Sound sleep. We feel tired after working or playing for a long time. We then need a rest. We go to sleep. A sound sleep gives us complete rest. We should sleep for 10 hours daily. We should go to bed early in the night. we should get up early in the morning too. It is rightly said, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Proper posture. Posture is the way or manner in which we sit, stand or walk. We should always keep a good posture. Good posture makes us look smart. Entertainment. We feel mentally tired after studying for a long time. We watch television or listen to music for refreshment. We feel fresh after some entertainment. Points to remember: food, sleep, rest, exercise, good posture, and entertainment keep our body healthy and fit. Sleep gives us complete rest. Exercise makes our muscles stronger. Playing an outdoor game is a good exercise. We feel fresh after some entertainment. New Chapter 1. Let's celebrate festivals. India is also known as the land of festivals. We celebrate many religious and national festivals every year. Festivals give us joy and happiness. Holi. Holi is famous festival of Hindus. It is called the festival of colors. Hindus celebrate this festival with great pomp and show. In this festival, people smear gulal on one another's face. Children throw balloons filled with color or water on others. Special food item called gujia is prepared on this occasion in each and every house. Diwali. Diwali is called the festival of lights. It falls after 20 days of Dasara. It is believed that on this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after an exile of 14 years. People decorate their houses and shops with candles, bulbs, and diyas. At night, they worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. People exchange Diwali greetings and burst crackers. But you should not burst firecrackers as you are young. Businessmen and traders celebrate Diwali as Hindu New Year Day. Guru Purab. The Sikhs celebrate the birthdays of their 10 gurus as Guru Purab. People go to gurdwaras and listen to Shabad and Kirtan there. They eat from a common kitchen called Langar. The Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs, is taken out in a big procession. People offer money and food to the poor. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on December 25 every year. People go to the churches at midnight to pray. They decorate their houses with Christmas trees. They exchange gifts with friends and relatives. Children believe that Santa Claus brings gifts for them on Christmas. Eid. Eid-ul-Fitr is an important festival of the Muslims. It comes after the holy month of fasting called Ramzan. People wear new clothes and go to the mosques for prayer. They embrace one another saying Eid Mubarak. A special sweet dish called sevaiya is prepared on this occasion. We also celebrate national festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. People all over the country celebrate these festivals. Gandhi Jayanti. The birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on October 2nd every year. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. We call him Bapu. He is also known as the father of the nation. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on August 15 every year. On this day, in 1947, India got freedom. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. People sing the national anthem Jana Gana Mana when the Prime Minister hoists the national flag. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26 every year. The main function of Republic Day is held in New Delhi. A grand parade is taken out there. The President of India takes the salute of the parade. Points to remember. Holi is called the Festival of Colors. Diwali is called the Festival of Lights. Christmas is celebrated on December 25. Independence Day is celebrated on August 15. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26. Chapter 2. Places of Worship. People of different religions live together in our country. Different religions have different places of worship. The Hindus worship God in a temple. The Muslims offer prayers in a mosque. The Sikhs offer prayers in a gurdwara. The Christians offer prayers in a church. The Jains worship God in a derasar or Jain temple. The Buddhists worship God in a pagoda. Points to remember. People worship God at different places. We should respect all religions. Chapter 3. Good Manners. Good manners make us good children. We should show good manners everywhere. Manners at home. Say good morning to your father, mother, and other members of your family. When someone meets you in the morning, say to him, good morning also. Say good night when you go to bed. Say good evening when someone meets you in the evening. Say good afternoon when someone meets you in the afternoon. Obey and respect your parents and elders. Take care of young ones and pets. Manners at school. Reach school on time. Greet and obey your teachers. Be ready to help your classmates. Do not quarrel with others. Keep silence in the classroom. Do not throw the duster or chalk at others. Manners at public places. Say please when you want something from someone. Say thank you when someone offers you something. Say sorry when you do something wrong. Say you are welcome when someone says to you thank you. All these are polite words. Polite words make people happy.
Sorry. Thank you. You are welcome.
Points to remember. Manners make us good children. We should help our classmates. We should obey and respect our parents and teachers. We should be polite and use polite words. Chapter 4. Keeping Good Health. Personal cleanliness, healthy food, good exercise, proper rest, and correct posture are the ways to maintain a good health. Personal hygiene. Let's know how to maintain personal hygiene and cleanliness. Brush your teeth twice daily, once in the morning and once at night. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Take a bath every day. Comb your hair properly. Trim your nails regularly. Wear clean and tidy clothes. Healthy food. Healthy food makes us healthy and strong. Always eat fresh and clean food. Eat your meals at the right time. Eat plenty of fruits and green vegetables. Drink a glass of milk daily. Drink at least 6 glasses of water daily. Exercise. Exercise makes our bones and muscles strong. Take regular exercise. Play safe games in the open. Go for a walk in the morning. Rest. Rest is also important for good health. Sleep gives us complete rest. Take a little rest after exercise. Go to bed early at night and get up early in the morning. Posture. Posture is the way or manner in which we sit, stand, or walk. Sit, stand, or walk straight. Points to remember. Good health is very necessary for growing up well. Sleep gives us complete rest. Chapter 5. Safety Rules. Safety rules are meant to save us from accidents. So, we must always follow safety rules. Safety at home. Do not play with sharp objects like blades, knives, and scissors. Do not touch electrical appliances or wires. Do not wear nylon clothes in the kitchen. Do not run after a kite on the road. Do not fly kites from the roof and the terrace. Do not touch an electric plug with wet hands. Safety on the road. Look at the traffic lights and follow them. The red light says, "Stop." The yellow light says, "Wait." The green light says, "Go." Always walk on the footpath. Stand in a queue at the bus stop. Do not get into or get off a moving bus. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Cross the road when it is clear. Never play on the road. Safety in the swimming pool. Do not go for swimming alone. Do not swim just after meals. Use your swimming tube if you need it. Use your swimming costume in the pool. Safety in the playground. Always play a safe game. Wait for your turn in the game. Do not quarrel with others. Always play in a park or a playground. Points to remember. We should not play with sharp objects. We should not touch an electric plug with wet hands. The red light says, "Stop." Yellow light says, "Wait." And green light says, "Go." We should not get into or get off a moving bus. Chapter 6. The Early Men. The early men had no homes like us. They used to live in forests and caves like the wild animals did. They used to eat fruits, nuts, and roots. They killed wild animals and ate their raw flesh. The early men did not wear clothes as we wear today. They used leaves, barks of trees, and skins of animals to cover their body. The early men made tools from bones and stones for killing wild animals. The early men also used these tools to protect themselves from the wild animals. Gradually, the early men became wiser. They found that by striking two stones together, they could produce fire. They used fire to cook their food. They found that cooked food was more tasty than raw food. They used fire to keep their caves warm. Fire also protected them from wild animals. As the time passed by, the early men learned the art of farming. They started growing crops in the fields. They also learned to tame animals. They built huts near the rivers. After many years, the early men made the first wheel. They used wheels in their carts. They could move from one place to another easily. They also used wheels to make earthen pots. Points to remember. The early men lived in caves and forests. They produced fire by rubbing two stones together.